Good morning. So I've heard there's a bird outside. Oh my gosh. So it's been here for like 15 minutes, just sort of hanging out in the tree branch, waiting for our guinea pigs to go outside, probably. Waiting for Cornelius to fly out there.
I give it full permission to get the chipmunks.
Oh yeah, come on.
Get the chipmunks.
Kill all the chipmunks.
The
rabbits are fun to watch, but I mean, there are plenty of them. The squirrels.
I hope it doesn't get a cat.
Get the squirrels.
Oh, it won't.
It can't get the cat.
No, it can't.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge, but...
The cats are big. We have big cats.
So we think it's a hawk.
It's looking straight at us.
It's just watching us. We're walking around and it's like watching us. Cornelius. What do you think, Cornelius? Huh? Are you nervous? What in the world? He's like, that is a big bird. Okay, now Ethan wants to go outside and see if the hawk flies away if he goes out there, or if it's because my mom opened the door and was like whistling at it and making noise, and it just kept looking at her. So I was wondering if maybe it was some sort of a domesticated hawk. All right, Ethan's going out the front door and walking around.
He's standing right there.
He's taking pictures. Oh my God. He's right there. I can't believe it. Well, if anybody can do this, Ethan can, because he's like the bird boy. He's letting him get really close. He's just looking. He's not even moving. All right, as soon as Ethan came inside, the hawk flew to our neighbor's tree. So now we're watching it out of our living room. Okay, I am on my way to my DIVA Broadway experience, and I'm very excited. I'm gonna go to my friend Susan's first and drop my things off because I'm staying there this weekend, and then I'll be heading to the first night of this experience. I'm really excited, and I don't know if I talked about this in the last couple days. I learned that there are 10 participants, and okay, this is gonna drive me nuts because it keeps falling. There are 10 participants, which I love. I love it because that means I'm gonna get to know everybody. However, that means I can't like hide at all. Yes, I love to perform. Yes, you know, I do love it, and I'm not shy or anything, but I don't do it all the time. So there's just like this much anxiety that's bubbling inside of me. I am feeling better. I don't really know what happened yesterday. I've heard about people having a COVID what do they call it? Like a relapse or something. And I got really worried that that's what was happening, because I felt, I'm not going to say the same, because it wasn't the same. It was similar, but not nearly as bad. You know, it was just like mild, very, very mild symptoms of how I felt. But now it's gone. I really don't know. I tested, it's negative, so here I go. Oh, I apologize. I really am probably gonna have to get a new stand, or I don't know, try to tighten this one. Made it to Susan's. We've been talking for an hour and a half. She's getting ready for a birthday party. And now I am going to skedaddle and do my DIVA thing. I'm here. I'm a little bit late. I hear people talking. I made it here.
I have two girls.
Look, they have a step and repeat. They have a backdrop. I know. And this is Sandy. Hi. Look at the beautiful women at my table. Look at this. Look at the flowers. I think it's gonna be fun. All right, we just broke into groups and we're like making songs. We're making words to songs.
We're gonna try at least.
We are.
No, we're gonna slay. That's what we're gonna do.
We are.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Horatio. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so that was amazing. I'm having so much fun, and now I get to go hang out with Susan again. What a weekend. I just have to share before I go anywhere. Look what I've been driving around with on the back of the car. Okay, it's way too late. This is my final clip.
Final clip.
Very good. I coached her. We've been sitting here talking for a long time, and both of us really need to sleep because we both have to go do things tomorrow. So tomorrow I get to do the DIVA experience and sing and dance and have fun and I guess drink mimosas, and I don't know. That's what I've heard. I'm excited about that. So yeah. Until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.